Good evening. Tonight we're going to talk about employee turnover or attrition. I'm Sakar Bakib, a data scientist who is an expert at helping companies prosper. As you know, the snack industry is a highly competitive and rapidly evolving market with a wide range of factors that can impact a company's success. At MSDS Consulting Group, we specialize in leveraging data science to help companies make more informed decisions, drive innovation, and stay ahead of their respective industries. Tonight, I'd like to share some insights we've gathered from years of data analysis on Frito-Lay and what we discovered about the attrition here. So we will analyze features for reasons behind attrition of employees. We will identify the top 3 factors that lead to employee attrition, and we'll go over a model that predicts attrition, specifically KNN. Attrition is the value we are targeting, and the quantity of the data of employees having attrition is less compared to employees which do not have attrition. So from the pie chart, we can see that 870 employees, out of 870 employees, 16% left their jobs due to some reason, but 84% of employees are still working at the company. The feature we explored and we'll go over in a few are found to be 27 numerical and 9 categorical features. For example, numerical would be data such as age, monthly income, education, environmental satisfaction, job involvement, job level. And for categorical, to name a few, we have business travel, department, education field, gender, marital status, job role, and overtime. Job level appears to be a crucial feature, and you better believe we'll be delving deeper into it with some exploratory analysis. And brace yourself, because we discovered some positively correlated relationships, such as total working hours has a positive relation both with, as we can see here, with job level and monthly income. And that's not all, folks. We also found positive relations between years at a company and with current role and current managers. So you can see from these dots, they're really red here, and so they're positive correlated, and those are what we want to focus on. There are more employees who travel very rarely, and the number of attrition of such employees are greater, which consists of 10.8%. So employees who get less chance to travel may need to be given surveys to see if they want to travel to reduce attrition rate here. Employees working R&D departments are the biggest population, but employees from sales department or in positions like sales executive or sales representative leave the job early. And we can see 6.78% attrition with respect to sales, making up around 31% of the employees here, which is pretty interesting. We can observe here that males make up more of the employees here and make up a higher attrition percentage of 10% with respect to around 59% of males making up the employees here. We can see from this bar graph that if an employee is working overtime, there's a significant amount of attrition that happens. We can see here this at 9.2%, and we can further see that more males at 150 versus 102 females are working overtime. Here we can see that the mean age is 36.8, and we can see that this distribution of age is normal. There are more employees with bachelor degrees and other education levels. Attrition with respect to bachelors might have more expectations from the company, possibly more overtime is related. Here we can observe that the mean monthly income at $6,390.30 for employees overall, and there seems to be a positive relationship as age and experience increases, so does income. Here we see a significant amount of attrition for job level 1. This could be related to new employees and one without much experience, so age and income can be a factor here as well. Also, we see that people who worked around 1 year tend to have turnover. More likely they are newer employees and younger, so again, this can be tied back to age and income. Moreover, we can see that those with 0 stock option levels have a higher attrition rate. Again, age, experience, and income are probably related here as well for those who get stock option of 1, 2, and 3. Usually stock option goes to leadership or more senior executive level folks. So again, experience and income level can be related here. So factors responsible for employee attrition: overtime has the highest relationship with attrition. Employees who do overtime are more likely to change or leave the job early. We observed this as well as during our categorical variable analysis. Age is the second highest factor, as those who are more senior are retiring, or the employees who have bachelor degrees have more expectations from the organization and may feel burnt out. Monthly income is a third factor for employees to attrition. With our model for oversampling when k equals 3, we have a model that predicts attrition around 86% with the sensitivity around 72% and the specificity of around 99%. We use age and monthly income to predict attrition since, as we saw earlier, these two numerical values on their own are tied with so many other numerical and categorical variables. Now, thank you for joining me today for this presentation. Again, my name is Sakura Kiv, representing the MSDS Consulting Group, and I hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any further questions or would like to discuss the topics covered in more detail, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can contact me via email at skiv@smu.edu. Thank you again for your time and attention. Have a great evening.